Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Kinantan Kejora and today I will be discussing on a topic that is very important and relevant for all us, namely pollution and invisible threat and inevitable impact. Let me watch this video. Pollution and invisible threat and inevitable impact. What does the meaning? Imagine you are walking in the park, but the air feels so soothing, the river is dark color, and the noise of vehicle keeps haunting you. That is the true face of pollution, a global problem that we often take lightly. Yet, it is impact so fast and life-threatening. That is the true face of pollution, a global problem that we often take lightly. It is impact. It's so fast and threaten life. Part 1. Definition of pollution. Pollution or contamination is the entry of substance or energy into the environment that cause change and damage. These substances are called pollutants, and they can be chemical, sound, heat, or even life. When nature can be longer break it down or naturally, if imbalance in the ecosystem is created. Section 2. Types of pollution. Pollution is not just about smoke or unpleasant odor. There are several main types of pollution. 1. Air pollution. Generated from motor vehicle, industry, waste burning, to forest fire. Pollutants such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and fine particles can enter the lungs and cause respiratory disease. Number 2. Water pollution. It occurs when household, industrial, or agricultural waste enter rivers, lakes, or seas. As a result, the water becomes contaminated and unfit for consumption or daily use. Number 3. Soil pollution. Generally caused by plastic waste, hazardous, and toxic waste. That's the meaning of vertigo, as well as excess use of pesticides and chemical fertilizer. This disrupt soil fertility and contaminate agricultural produce. Concrete. Cause of pollution. Most of the cause pollution stem from human activities. Population growth, urbanization, industrialization, and excessive consumption worsen environment conditions. The lack of awareness in waste disposal, dependence of fossil fuel, and low supervision of industrial waste are the main triggers. Part 4. Pollution impact. The impact of pollution is very serious. Further, cause lungs disease, cancer, and nervous system disorder. For the environment, damaging biodiversity, triggering climate change, and pollution, the food chain. For the economy, rising healthcare cause damage to agricultural yield and decreased productivity. Pollution is not just local issue, but a global crisis that threatens future generations. Section 5. What can we do? Even though it is big, this problem is not insurmountable. We can start with small things. Number 1. Reduce the use of single-use plastic. Number 2. Support environment-friendly transportation. Number 3. Dispose of trash in designed place and sort it by types. Okay, pollution is not just the responsibility of the government or activities. It is the responsibility of all of us. One thing all people know. The earth doesn't need human, but human need the earth very much. Start with yourself. One small action can bring about a big change. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye bye.